from being a standout from the De La Salle University Ladies Spikers, where she won 3 UAAP championship and 2 Most Valuable Player awards. Her professional career started in the Philippine Superliga with the AirAsia Flying Spikers. After her stint with AirAsia, she played for PLDT, Meralco, Petron, Photon, then spent several seasons with F2 Logistics before transferring to Cherry Tico Crossovers. And finally, to her team today, the Nested Chameleons. She received the various Best Middle Blocker Awards throughout her career and was the part of Philippine Women's National Team from 2015 to 2023, where she is the team captain from 2017 to 2022, known for her big smoke mentality and popularity, known as Chang Abby. Abby, a round of applause for Barangay de La Paz, Miss Abby Maranyo.
Magandang hapon po, Barangay de La Paz, Mandy! Hello!
Talagang kailangan magsikap tayo. Maging disiplinado tayo sa oras, sa pagkain, sa pagtulog. So, yun yung naging sikreto ko siguro kaya nandito ako. And hopefully, sana maraming kabataan ang galing dito na makalaro sa NCAA, sa UAP, sa volleyball din, sa PBL, and sa PBA. At naniniwala ko, pagdating ng araw, magkikita-kita tayo. And ayun lang, sabi ni Chairman, huwag nyo na painitin yung ulo niya. Respect the game, respect the opponent, respect your opponents, and enjoy natin at mahalin natin yung sports natin. Yun lang po, congratulations, and maraming salamat po.
That is Joshua Andre. Never ako matalahit junior sa senior. Kung gusto nyo maging kasing lakas ng ating guests, magpalakpakan may kasamang hiyawan na mas malakas pa sa ginawa ng kabilang 1, 2, 3, go!
Amen. So, kanina na-surprise ako talaga kasi ako ang unang dumating dito. Nagulat ako, wow, sabi ko. Parang nag-dive kami ah. So, sa ating kapitan, siyempre, at ang ating mga guests na galing sa City Council, si Ryan at si Boyi, at sa aking mga kasamahan ng konsyal, kagawad ng barangay. So, hindi ko naging po paabahan, ang ano ko lang po.
And was part of UAAP Season 79 Championship Team of DLSU in 2016. He is currently a vital part of the league, leading Rain or Shine team in the 50th season of PPA. He also a content creator, and he known for his opening tagline, "Another day, another Dre." A round of applause to Andre Caraca!
Hello po, isang
Ang ating po nasasaksihan sa ating POA-TV, ang mga dalawang programang proyekto ay adikain ng sanggunian barangay de La Paz. Yan, talagang mahusay ang ating pong SP Kilaka, siyempre sa pagkulang ng ating buti, Cedric Miguel Pagulan. At siyempre, di posible ating state your name of Dream Homes or state your team. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide
adhere and uphold the conditions, rules and regulations which has been set forth by the organizers of these activities. I do hereby solemnly swear and agree to play in the spirit of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter whether I win or lose. I swear to play with respect and sensitivity, putting brotherhood and camaraderie as a priority in thoughts, in words, and in deeds, so help me God.
Thank you so much. Yan, maraming salamat po, Mr. Tunichi Rotoni, ang ating pong isa sa mga player ng back-to-back champion team, Dream Homes. Ayan.
Ganda ng uniform nila eh, no?
Yan, manatili tayo, nakatayo. Yan.
Maral pa.
Isuhin na lang po